Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our deep dive into the Kelatos Asus ZenBook UP5302Z. Today, we'll explore why this device is deemed non-reparable and what that means for users. First, let's start with the tools you'll need for this analysis. You will need a precision screwdriver set, particularly a Torx T5 and T6 bit, as well as a spudger for prying components apart without causing damage. A clean workspace is essential to avoid losing any screws or small parts during disassembly. Now, let's proceed with the disassembly. Begin by removing the bottom cover. This typically involves unscrewing several Torx screws located around the perimeter of the device. Remember to keep these screws organized. A magnetic tray can be incredibly helpful here. Once the screws are removed, gently insert the spudger into the seam between the bottom cover and the chassis. Carefully work your way around the edges to pop the cover off without applying too much force. Be cautious of any clips that may be holding the cover in place. Inside, you'll find the battery, motherboard, and cooling system. The first thing to note is the battery. In many modern laptops, including the ZenBook, the battery is often glued in place, making replacement challenging. If you find yourself in this situation and don't have the necessary tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you in determining the best course of action. Next, let's examine the motherboard. You'll notice that components are often soldered directly onto the board, which complicates repairs. For instance, if the RAM or storage fails, it may require a complete motherboard replacement. If you're concerned about repair costs, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know what to expect financially. Moving on to the cooling system, you'll observe that the thermal paste needs to be reapplied periodically for optimal performance. If you're not comfortable handling this yourself, our pickup and delivery at your home service can simplify the process. No calls, no travel, just a smooth experience to get your device serviced. After inspecting the internal components, we can also discuss cleaning. Dust accumulation can lead to overheating and performance drops. Use compressed air to carefully blow out dust from the fans and vents, ensuring you do this gently to avoid damage. Remember, maintaining your device is key to longevity, and if you're unsure about cleaning, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. In summary, the Kelatos Asus ZenBook UP5302Z presents several challenges when it comes to repairs. With glued components, soldered parts, and a complex assembly, it's crucial to understand when to seek professional assistance. Our services are designed to make this process easier for you, offering convenient pickup and delivery, along with a thorough diagnosis without any obligation. Thank you for watching, and we hope this breakdown has provided valuable insights into the non-repairability of the Kelatos Asus ZenBook UP5302Z. Stay tuned for more technical analyses and tips on tech maintenance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.